we have tons of wax that needs to be processed. We start with this burner here, propane. We do this outside because it's just easier. I use this as a filter. Underneath this, we have 2 gallons of water that are boiling. And I am throwing in the cleaner wax first, just so it can get through the filter a little bit easier. Finally have a boil. So we take this and we set it in there. You can see this breaks up really fast. And as it melts, you just grab more wax and you add it. There's a huge chunk that's going to break up because it's melted together already. I'm just sitting outside. Okay, so this is hours later. I had some helpers come out here and screw this up. I had this in here so that it would make this a lot easier. But some people just can't leave anything alone. So, here's part of it. I'm going to have to dig the rest of it out and do this all over again, basically. But this is a good start. You can see it's pretty clear. It was clear on this side until somebody started digging through it. So, that's the first rendering. Here's what came out of the bag.
It does. My head can fit through there.
This is why it's important to leave it alone. Someone decided to help me out, so they came and they mixed this together. But this is, usually you can just scrape the one side off, which is what I'll be able to do with this piece. But with the other ones that got mixed up, that's not going to work very well. So, I'll scrape some of this stuff off. And then we will melt it again. Alright, so here's the wax. We have in here is cold water on the bottom, coffee filters, and then a very fine filtering mechanism here.
See all the wrinkles. It's already pouring. Be careful. Oh, don't fall in. So now we're doing something cool. Pulling that up. These both have both. The Gatorade one. Yeah. And whoa, there's something. Oh, so can you see those papers? Those are filters. Oh, it's done.
Okay, so this is with the filter out, and it's starting to cool. You see that it's separating from the sides. Alright, so this is what we have right now. This is just a part. On the top, looks pretty clean. But on the bottom, we have all this crap again. Scrape that off, and then we're going to use the double boiler. And then we're going to put it through a paint filter. This is unscraped and this is scraped. You see it took a considerable amount of the crap off it. Okay, if you can see, this is really wet because I poured it into cold water, and so a lot of the water got stuck with all the contaminants. Alright, so here it is in action. Let's walk in here and just wait. The larger the chunk, though, the longer it's going to take. But the thicker the chunks are, the harder it is to break them up.
No, I'm not. And this girl, no, I'm not. Let me try, okay?
I'm gonna say. Put this in the fridge to cool. Just make a tear in this, and then we tear this off, and it will make a huge crayon that we can use on the foundations to wax them. And this will be the same, just trying to figure out which one will work better.